I'm going to kind of show what we've done to our rear suspension here. When we first got this, it had bolt-on overloads, which we took off. We also removed the stabilizer bar, give us a little articulation, and then we put a block in here. This originally was 5.5 inches tall, and with the only lift that we could get on the front was what we could put on by jacking up the torsion bars. So we ended up, we were way higher in the back than the front. So we took these blocks back out and cut them down to 4 1/4, but we cut them off at an angle. And I didn't actually measure this angle, I just threw it in the bandsaw and says, yep, that looks about right, and cut it off. Well, this turns out it's right at 10 degrees. And this is the piece that we cut off, which I saved, which is 1 1/4 deep right here in the center. So what we want to do is we need to raise this now because we've got a 6-inch lift on the front, which puts the back a little bit low. So we're going to add this piece back in. A couple of ways we can do this. When we cut this off, you notice when we put this on, with this 10-degree angle on it, it actually moves the axle forward probably about 1 inch once you get to the center line. So that shortened our wheelbase. The stock wheelbase on this was 117. Right now, with the changes we've made to the front and the back, we're at 115.5. If we put this block on the top of here with the additional angle and lift, it's going to even move this more. We could end up with an additional inch of turn. Problem is our U-bolts here will be even further out of a line than they are now. We're getting to a point where we don't want them any further. So if we take this block and put it down here, then we get the lift that we want. We get a little bit of angle, which will help with our driveline angle, and hopefully not change this much. So we'll see how that works out. See, we got our block in. We've got our rotation on our axle. We got our lift. Everything looks good. You kind of see we're going to have to address our shock absorber mount. We're going to have to raise something up there, but got a good angle on our drive line, so that's good.